Hey, what's up everybody? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So I am outside my house here in the back lanai, out in beautiful Spring Hill, Florida, and we're going to review some jerky today, guys. I hope everybody out there is well. So I got this jerky here from Con Savan. He's out of Fresno, California. This is his jerky label, I-5 Jerky. I've reviewed his teriyaki, and his teriyaki is absolutely fantastic. Makes his teriyaki sauce from scratch. So Khan is of Asian descent, and he's got some great flavors to offer you. Today we're going to do a hot, it says level is hot dill pickle. I-5 jerky, don't be on the road without it, guys. So let's check this stuff out. Let's see what it looks like. And let me get you down here so you can see as I open this package up. So, nice packaging. Real simple, vacuum sealed, no zipper on the top though, to reseal it. So that's the only thing I would change about Khan's packaging here. Real simple stuff. All right, guys. So let's get in it. Let me do the smell test. Definitely smells like some dill pickle type sauce in here. You can smell that. It smells like it's definitely pickle juice. Okay, so we're gonna take this out here, guys. Now if you take a quick look at this jerky, this is what it looks like. You get a close-up of it, and it's nice. There's no visible fat in it that I can see, and it is looks like it's definitely going to be spicy on this. I'm looking forward to. I've never tried a dill pickle type jerky, guys, so let's give this a shot, baby. Alright, so dill pickle level is hot. i5jerky.com. Here we go. Wow, interesting flavors. Really cool. Actually makes your mouth water. You get such a nice flavor of that dill pickle, and then you get a little spice in the background. When I first read dill pickle, I was like, this is going to be weird. It was actually really good. Just delicious. So yeah, it's actually really good. So much that I just keep devouring it, right? And I'm not telling you anything about it. You get the dill pickle flavor. You get that spicy beef flavor. It's really just a nice eating jerky. I think this is going to end up being one of my favorites. So, really delicious, guys. Nice tender texture too. See that? Nice beef flavor, nice dill pickle. Definitely taste some Thai chili in there, that's for sure. Good eating jerky. Another great one. By i5jerky.com, guys. Go out and give this guy some business. He's working hard. Out in Fresno, California. Small craft beef jerky makers, guys. That's who we got to support in our community. Alright? This is a great one though, let me tell you. Dill pickle jerky. It's a first for me. Check it out, guys. i5jerky.com. Give this one a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.